Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover delete messages from WhatsApp chat. So let's get right into it. First of all, you have to open up WhatsApp. Then go to the three dotted button which is top right corner of the screen. Hit on it and hit on settings. Now you have to go on chats. Just simply scroll down and here you have to hit on chat backup. Once you will hit on this backup button, all your WhatsApp chat messages will be recovered in few seconds. And that's it guys. How to recover delete messages from WhatsApp chat. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.